back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily. Today we are diving into something truly fascinating, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a creation that blends Scandinavian design, advanced engineering, and luxury living on wheels. When you think of Volvo, safety and precision engineering come to mind, but this motorhome takes things to a completely new level, redefining what a travel lifestyle vehicle can be. Volvo has long been respected in the automotive world for creating vehicles that emphasize comfort, innovation, and safety, and with this motorhome they've extended that philosophy to the world of adventure travel, giving us a vehicle that feels more like a luxury Scandinavian retreat than a traditional RV. From the outside, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome has a bold yet minimalist look, perfectly capturing Volvo's design language with clean lines, aerodynamic curves, and subtle chrome details. The LED lighting setup is striking, giving the vehicle a futuristic presence, while the large panoramic windows immediately set it apart from traditional motorhomes. The body is built on a highly durable yet lightweight frame, which not only improves fuel efficiency but also makes the ride smoother, even when traveling on rougher terrains. Volvo's designers have clearly balanced form and function in a way that feels both premium and practical. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a space that feels more like a modern Scandinavian apartment than a motorhome. The interior is full of natural wood finishes, soft touch materials, and a bright, open design that maximizes every inch of space. A fully equipped kitchen, complete with induction cooktop, refrigerator, and smart storage solutions, allows you to prepare meals on the road without compromise. The lounge area is designed with plush seating, mood lighting, and a high-tech entertainment system, making it the perfect space to relax after a long drive. And when it comes to sleeping, the bedroom area provides a large, comfortable bed with premium bedding and smart climate control, ensuring that comfort is never sacrificed. Volvo hasn't just focused on luxury, though. This motorhome is loaded with technology that makes driving and living easier. At the heart of the cockpit is a digital driver display paired with Volvo's latest infotainment system, offering navigation, connectivity, and safety features at your fingertips. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system make piloting this large motorhome surprisingly stress-free. For long journeys, Volvo has even integrated semi-autonomous driving features, which means that the motorhome can handle stretches of highway driving almost on its own, reducing fatigue for the driver. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is powered by a hybrid system, combining a robust diesel engine with electric support, offering both power and efficiency. For those who want to take the eco-friendly route, a fully electric variant is expected, with a range suitable for long-distance touring and fast-charging capabilities that make it practical for modern travel. This shows Volvo's commitment to sustainability, giving travelers the option to explore the world without leaving a heavy carbon footprint. Every detail of the 2025 Volvo Motorhome has been carefully crafted to create a balance between luxury, safety, and adventure. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway, this motorhome promises to be more than just transportation, it's an experience in itself. Volvo has managed to transform the idea of life on the road into something aspirational, stylish, and deeply comfortable, proving once again that they're more than just an automaker, they're lifestyle innovators.